Hi guys! Oh wait, that's what Aanam uses. I need something new. Anyway, I can't think of anything new. So if you guys have an idea, please comment in the comment box below. Yeah. So welcome to my first vlog. Aanam's been after my life. You guys know that. Start vlogging. So here is my first attempt. I'm not confident at all. But thankfully, you guys seem to have confidence in me, so I'm giving this one a shot. This vlog is kind of special because it's my first vlog. Plus, I also thought that maybe it's time for you guys to know what I actually do. As most of you know that I've been in advertising for about 20 years, and sometime I think last year is when I decided to join Anam full time. So I end up assisting Anam in various different things. I think of IP ideas for a content ideas for a. I kind of manage a business along with a full-time manager, Payal. Payal, you guys must know. Apart from that, we also run a small little agency called the Toolbox. The Toolbox is basically an influencer management agency and an influencer marketing agency. We run influencer campaigns for brands. If you guys follow our Instagram on, if you guys follow our account on our Instagram, and since I have a background in advertising, what I also do is that I kind of consult with various brands and agencies on a campaign to campaign, project to project basis. This vlog will actually show you what I do for a brand, right? So I'm consulting for this agency for a big fashion brand campaign, and we have a shoot scheduled today. It's somewhere near Nasik. I think it's called Grape County, the resort. So it's around, I think it's about 2:30, 2:40 in the morning right now. I'm waiting for the car to come pick me up and go for a shoot. And in this vlog, what I will try and do is show you what exactly goes on behind an advertising fashion shoot. I hope you guys enjoy it.
I tried to give away all I had. My mind was full of my mistakes. I've been too fragile through my life, and I'm missing you so.
Making myself some coffee in an effort to stay awake, I guess, before I leave. That's my mug. You guys have seen my mug in one of Aanam's vlog. Look who's here to keep me company. Hi Nibbles. Weren't you asleep? This one here loves smelling the coffee. My favorite spot to have coffee. Keep looking out of the window. So most of you know that I'm a huge Liverpool fan, and since I'm going away for a shoot today and there's a big Liverpool match, I need to put my match on record. This is what I usually do if I end up missing any Liverpool match. It's Everton versus Liverpool. It's popularly known as the Merseyside Derby. Yes, found it. And that's sorted, I guess. I had told Aanam to record this for me today, but just in case she forgets, I've recorded it. So I'm all ready. The time is 3:30. I'm waiting for my pickup. The cab should be here anytime now. A little bit about what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm gonna take you guys inside a shoot day for an advertising campaign for a big fashion brand. The campaign will be out soon. The campaign consists of print ads and a digital film. A digital film will be shot in a couple of days in Bombay. It's primarily a print ad shoot, which is basically a static shoot. There will be some digital films captured today, but not to an extent of what I will be shooting in a couple of days. In this project, I'm consulting for an agency who's been commissioned with this campaign. I'm the consulting creative director on this project, which basically means that I'm running this entire campaign from working with the agency's talent. I hope you guys enjoy this. Hope this is fun for you. I'm definitely not confident being in front of the camera, as you can see. I'm much more comfortable being behind the camera. The only time that I'm ever confident in front of the camera is when Aanam C with me, as you guys might have noticed. But I'm learning. Let's see. अगर कुछ गलती हो जाए तो माफ़ कर देना. नया हूँ, फ़ोन से शूट कर रहा हूँ ये हैंड हेल्ड. Yeah. All the best to me and all the best to you. So I've also packed a little overnighter here because today's shoot is mostly outdoors, and if it rains today, then we have a buffer day of tomorrow, which basically means I'll have to stay the night at the resort and then shoot tomorrow. Hopefully it doesn't, because I want to get back home as soon as possible, and I want to be back home tonight because this is probably the longest that Aanam and I have stayed apart in the last 1 year from the time that I've joined her. So yeah, I hope I get back home tonight, back to Aanam. So everyone's asleep right now and it's time for me to leave. I don't want to wake anyone up to shut the door behind me, but we've got this smart lock installed, which is operated by our smartphones, so I can actually lock the door behind me when I go. So yeah, we're off. The time is 3:46. The cab's finally here and I'm off for the shoot. It's about 130 kilometers from here, so it should take us about 4 hours to get there. My first shot is scheduled for 7 a.m. I think. Yeah, 7 a.m. So I just hope we make it in time. It's going to be touch and go. So we've stopped for a bit at a little pit stop for some chai and to use the washroom. It's mainly a trucker stop, but there's a cute little dhaba of sorts here. It's called Hotel Sahara, I suppose. We're about a couple of hours away from the location. I think we've covered about half the distance. We finally reached. The shot is still being set up, so I guess we're just in time. Lovely property, as you can see. Slightly foggy, nice and chilly. This is where breakfast is being served, and then after having a quick bite and a coffee, I guess we will head to the shoot location. Everything is getting set up and I'll quickly take you guys there. So we're walking towards the first location. That's Nandini in the background. We worked together a long time ago and now we are working together again. There was an option of taking the car because apparently the first location is about 10-12 minutes away. We decided to walk and I don't think we are regretting it. Hi Nandini. What is that shot? This is stunning. I don't know how much you can see, but that's apparently a lagoon. It's all foggy and misty. So that's where our first shot is going to be. Setup is still happening. That's the first still shot. And here is where we plan to do the little digital film, 10-20 seconder on this road. Same characters, but in motion. We're shooting the digital film now. We've finished the photos. You changed your mask? Why?
I dropped coffee on my mask.
You dropped coffee on your mask. How?
Like that.
Like that. Second still shot in progress. setup. We'll be doing a print shoot here. And say hi, Rohan.
Hi Rohan. Fifth standard joke.
So while you guys may think shooting is all glamorous, this is the worst part of any shoot. Waiting for the shot to be set up, waiting for the models to be ready, waiting for basically the shoot to start. We are on shot number what? 4. We are on shot number 4. We have 4 more to go. Yes, that's what's happening. Everyone is waiting. And Nandini's got a food. I just had lunch and we have 2 more shots to go, but both those still shots will include films, so it will take a little bit of time. It's 3 o'clock right now. I'm hoping to wrap by 6:37. If that happens, I can hit the road by 6:30 and get home to Aanam by hopefully 10 o'clock. That should be good. This is our 7th location. The setting is of a picnic. We'll have 2 models sitting right there. That's my photographer, who's right now a model, Kim Basinger.
Are you feeling 9.5?
In front of these flowers, please. Shahrukh, spread your arms and do Shahrukh. No, stop and do properly. Tana tang 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 tang.